They struck at noon while people dreamed, in meadows bright with skies so blue. Our joy was crushed, they came, they slew, but fire awakes in every land. No more we plead, we make our stand. The line was crossed, the blood was drawn, and now the fight goes on and on. Ooh, march, march, sons of the flame, for our Pahalgam we stake our name. You shot our kin, then asked for peace. We answer back, no more, no cease. At 2:45 they came with hate. In open light they sealed their fate. They thought we'd break, but now they'll see. A nation roars from sea to sea. We fight with honor, we fight with pride, for those we've lost, for those who died. Our voices rise, our hearts unite. In Pahalgam's name we claim the fight. Ooh, march, march, sons of the flame, for our Pahalgam we stake our name. You shot our kin, then asked for peace. We answer back, no more, no cease.